Why I don't date younger men. He's 37 and I'm gonna be 54. He's 37, full of dreams, eyes locked on the wide road ahead. I'm 54, seasoned by life, glancing in the rear view, not out of regret, but with wisdom. He talks about starting a family, building an empire. I raised my children, weather every storms, and found peace in my own lane. He's just exhilarating. I'm just cruising with no need to prove anything to anyone. We are both driving in two different directions. Love knows no age, they say, but compatible, that needs more attractions. It needs rhythm, peace, and purpose. And sometimes the view through the windshield is too different from the one in the rear view. Would you? Yes. To each his own. They say age is just a number, but for me, compatible is different from the age group. I am not discriminating anyone who feels that they should date a younger person, but it just sticks in my head and in my brain, and it cannot come out. Different strokes for different folks. Different age limit for grown-ups. Tiki fish, plane to aquarium. Young birds don't know storm. I'm out.